everyone, and welcome to the Adventures of the Hendersons in the Philippines. Right now, it's Friday, and my siblings are here. Say hi, Giselle and Joshua. So they visited me again, and we're going to have our dinner. Yay! We're going to have our dinner, and they're hungry and excited. No, they're not. So this is our dinner for tonight. Fried chicken, which I cooked. I don't know if they taste good, I hope. And rice, and we bought barbecue because we all love barbecue, especially the isaw. See the isaw? What's the isaw, Dai? In English. Intestine. Yeah. Tinais sa manok. Or the intestine of the chicken, not the baboy, okay? Not the pig. So I actually love this one, but my husband doesn't like isaw. I don't know, maybe most American doesn't love intestine. Love to eat intestine especially. But we actually love barbecue, so that's why we bought some for us. So this is the simple dinner that we have. When we're actually kids, we're not used to having much in the table, right? Yeah. Yeah, we divide even 6 eggs in into 8 people. Kaya uno man may kabuk, we're 6 siblings and my parents, so we're all 8 all in all, right, Giselle? So simple food already contents us. Let's eat. You're hungry? So see you for next time. In this is the Adventures of the Hendersons in the Philippines. Me only here in the Philippines because my husband is in Antarctica. And see you next time. Say bye, Joshua.